I'm Jim Seidel from Interlux. We're here in the boatyard looking around, talking about problems that people have painting the bottoms of their boats. All right, this boat has a bunch of problems. First thing I noticed was that the paint was worn off the leading edges of the bow and the rudder and the trailing edge of the rudder. The reason for that is when you roll down, when you're rolling on paint, you tend to squeeze it as you're rolling over here, so that the thickness here of the paint is thicker than what's on this edge. And this edge gets a lot of wear, so it wears faster there. Here, there's a lot of paint on this boat, and he did the right thing. He put signal coats on so he could tell where he was in the coating. These are ablative coatings, but there's a lot of paint, and it's older paint. It's starting to get a little brittle and falling off. And there's green, there's blue, there's some red, and all the way down to the primer you see on the bottom, and wore the paint off. So you got a lot of little barnacles at the bottom. And on the top here, the paint's coming off in sections. It's cast iron, or it's a lead keel. So he's probably got some electrolysis going on as well. But you can see it's really in bad shape. And down at the bottom where it wore off, and these barnacles are coming off. It got little barnacles at the end, probably got a lot of slime from sitting around, and then the barnacles started to grow on the slime. Cleaned up pretty well, but again, it's to really fix it, you need to take all the paint off and start over.